Let's take a deep breath in. Center yourself, center your body, release any tension. Sometimes we hold tension in our neck, our lower back. Let that go. We're going to enter the silence together. We're going to think about prosperity. We are here to live life and live it more abundantly. Abundant life. What does that mean? Is your abundance external to you? When you think about abundance, is it the car you drive or the house you live in, the clothes you wear? All of those things are nice. But where is your true prosperity? Where is your true abundance? It is in you. It is in the peace that passes understanding. It is in the love and the fellowship in Neil Hall. It is in the family that gathers together. It is the knowledge from Proverbs that says, I would rather have a simple meal surrounded by love than a steak dinner in a mansion alone. Our prosperity is in each other. It is in the love, the joy, the happiness, the togetherness we share. It is in you. And we know that the abundant life is ours. Externally, and more importantly, internally. So as we enter that silence together, for a moment, to listen to the still small voice inside. That voice says, I am peace. I am joy. I am abundance. I am prosperity. And as you take another deep breath in, know that you live an abundant life. Know that the abundance is yours and true prosperity is yours. And so it is.